Hey everyone, it's Diane. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about everyday French life and beyond. I'm the American blogger behind the site Oui In France, and today I'm reviewing a meal kit delivery service here in France. It's called Illico Fresco, and if you're short on time or you just don't have any motivation to cook, kind of like me, you want to keep watching. So let's get right to it. So the Illico Fresco website is really easy to navigate. It's super user-friendly and their photos are top-notch. That was part of the reason why I chose Illico Fresco and not one of their competitors. The website was really well done. So this is what it looks like. You can see at the top, they have a little information just about how the whole process works, a video. You could click and see their boxes, their recipes, or even click how this works. And then as you navigate around the page, you can see a little bit more how you choose what menu type you'd like. You choose your delivery day, and then you wait for your box, and then you cook. Simple as can be, and that's the website. Okay, so why did I choose a meal kit delivery service in the first place? And the big reason is, well, there are three big reasons, as you see on the screen. I am really lazy when it comes to cooking. I lack motivation, I make the same boring things over and over, and I really need new healthy ideas for meals. And I get overwhelmed really quickly with cooking. I just need a little bit of a kick in the pants, so that's the main reason. And also, I was curious, so I figured, why not? Let's try. As I mentioned, I was really happy with how user-friendly the Illico Fresco website was, as well as it being professional with great photography. Also, I found the selection of meals pretty well aligned with what I like to eat, so no pig's hooves or pork cheek or tripe or anything that I wouldn't personally eat. And also free shipping, and it's commitment-free, so order whenever you'd like, and you can cancel or pause it as well. Are you ready to cook? Time for dinner. You ready to cook? I love that everything came in paper bags wherever possible, just to cut down on plastic packaging. There was also an ice pack to keep everything cold, and it was extremely effective even in the heat. Something else I really liked was the simplicity of the recipes. Everything took from start to finish no longer than 30 minutes, and for someone like me who gets overwhelmed by being in the kitchen and anything too complicated, it was perfect, manageable, and I had fun doing it. Everything you need for each recipe, aside from salt, pepper, and olive oil, comes in the delivery box, along with a nice little booklet, a recipe booklet, that has step-by-step instructions and tips, along with nice photos of each of the recipes. Something that surprised me was that the portions were pretty generous in most cases. We paid for 4 meals for 2 servings each, and we often had 3 or 4 servings. So Illico Fresco would send the entire package of ricotta cheese or pitas. Even if the recipe only called for a portion of that package, they gave you the whole thing. So that was a nice surprise. Now again, these are simple recipes, 30 minutes start to finish. So if you're a more advanced cook looking to hone your skills in the kitchen, this might not be for you. But for me, it was a stress-free way to try new things, to eat new foods, and to get myself in the kitchen more. Here's a look at some of the meals we prepared, including a cold lentil and tomato salad, a pita with ricotta cheese, grilled zucchini, and chorizo, and also a really nice shrimp broccoli noodle stir fry. All right, that wraps up my review of Illico Fresco. Check down in the description box for a link to my blog where you can find a more detailed review, and also use my link to get 20 euros off your first box. Be sure to subscribe and see you next time. Salut!